Okay, Assalamu alaikum, hello my students. Welcome back to our lessons on ICT, and on today's lesson we are going to know how can we format the text in Microsoft Excel. Formatting text means you can change your font properties, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can change for example the name of the font itself and so on. So how can we do that? Step number one, you have to select the text that you decide to make a format for it. How is that? Click on the beginning of the data, put the mouse cursor in the middle like this, click and drag down like this, don't release the mouse button, then go to the right like this. This is a way to highlight your data. Sometimes if you highlight the whole data, click at the beginning, then press Ctrl A only to highlight the data like this. Don't click outside here because it will highlight the whole sheet, but I want only this data. Another way, if I want to highlight or select my data, click at the beginning, press shift, keep pressing or hold on the shift, then press the down arrow key like this, then use the right one like this. So using shift with arrow keys can help you to select the text. After you did that, now your data or text is ready to be formatted. How is that? Step number 2, go to Home tab. Step number 3, go to the group font. Now from this box which is called font, you can change your font name. Click the drop down list, choose any suitable font name. Whenever you move over the names, Microsoft Excel is going to show you a preview for your selection. Choose any one. For example, I'm going to choose this one, Comic. This is your font name. Now choose the size, click the drop down list, you can select one of the available numbers. If you have a size but you didn't find it, like for example 17 or 15, how can we set them? Click in the box here, delete using the backspace, then write it for example 15 like this and press enter. By this way you can specify the size 15. When you make change like this to your data, you can see some columns cannot display all the data. Simply put the mouse cursor on the border between the columns letter like this, click and drag to the right to make the columns bigger so as to display the whole data like this. When you made any change like this, it's very important to save your change. Go to File, then choose Save. Now after you did that, you can go to the next button here. It's used to increase the size, or this one for decrease. Now if I want to change my font color, go down here, you'll find this button which is called Font Color. Click the drop down list, choose any suitable color for your text. For example, choose the green one like this, or choose the dark brown, this one. After you do that, save your change. Go to File, then choose Save. Now you can add some extra one, like make it bold like this with a little thick, or click it again to remove it. You can make it italic with angle, or you can click it again to remove. You can add a line below it, or you can remove this line. Whenever you made all these changes, you have to save your change. Now the last one is, look here, if I click outside, my data will not be look like a table. What I'm going to do to make it be looks like a table, I have to draw borders or lines to make it as table. How is that? Click at the beginning of the data, Ctrl A. Now go to Home, go to Font Group, go to this button Borders, click the drop down list, then choose All Borders. Click anywhere. You see now your data has been formatted to be looks like a table, and save your change. This is simply how to format your text or your data.